What's up, guys? So I'm going to address the change in sterile syringes that are coming with the Midline kits from Angiodynamics. So the two sterile syringes used to be on the outside pocket. They were in right here. It was really sweet and convenient. They are no longer, so they're on indefinite back order, FDA, something. Who knows? We don't have them. That's the gist of it. So we got to have sterile saline and a sterile syringe for flushing our lines. So let me show you how we're going to do that real quick. There's a couple things you have to add to your kit. So first of all, you look at these. These are pretty familiar. These are standard saline flushes. The difference is that the saline inside is sterile, but on the outside of the syringe, that's not sterile. You cannot drop it into your sterile field. So this has to be squirted, shot, whatever you want to call it, into your sterile field. So, like the term squirted better, or shot, I don't know. So, what we really need is two different things. We need a sterile 10 ml syringe, and we need to add our saline in. So, once the kit's open, and you'll have to have somebody assist you with this, so this is kind of the pain of the whole thing. You have your kit open, you can drop a BD 10 ml syringe just like this, sterilely into the field. Goes like this, you pull it back, you drop it, bing. So now the person who's sterile can use that as a sterile syringe. Then we need to add some sterile saline to the kit. So the best place to go is probably gonna be the center area right here. And remove from the package. I'll leave this thing on until I'm ready, because I have gloved hands, of course, in these cases. And then I'll add this to this center area right here, just like that. Now, what can happen is the person that's sterile can use a sterile syringe, draw that saline up, and use that to power flush the line. So I'd probably add two, just since somebody extra is there with you. That's a little bit messy. That's really messy, but I just want to do that for a dramatic effect. So that's how you're going to add the sterile syringe and the sterile saline to your Midline kit. Thanks for watching.